You are what?
So cute. It's yellow bushes.
Okay, you can do it. Yes.
Hey, Bobby's in here. Hi, guys.
Today we decided that we wanted to do something fun and new, and we are gonna do the tongue texting challenge.
How this is going to work is, first, we're going to clean the face of our phones off. This game, we literally are going to be using our cell phones. We're gonna set them down on the table. Cannot use our hands. We can only use our tongues. In these 3 bowls are pieces of paper, and in one of those bowls is the names of each one of the family members. In another bowl is a paper that says either family, friend, or Instagram follower. And in the 3rd bowl, we have
You are worth it. Hashtags
that we use. So Yowie, you are worth it. Hashtag you are worth it. Let's choose the players. Ready?
Okay, I'm gonna choose
Sarah
one.
is choosing one. First player, you guys ready?
Yeah.
First player is Savannah.
So Savannah's gonna choose her opponent.
Az is in. So it's between Savannah and Az. Let's give them a little room, guys. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna be behind the scenes here. Clean your screen. Okay, Az, clean your screen. Good job.
Okay, let's see who you're gonna text.
Family. Instagram.
Okay, what family member are you going to choose to text?
Can I text Branson?
No,
No.
you can't text Branson.
Dang it.
No.
He doesn't have text.
I'll text Allie.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Az, Mommy's gonna help you choose the Instagram follower that you are going to send a message to. Choose your phrase, Az.
Choose your phrase.
You are worth it with spaces. Yowie!
Oh, you got the easy one. Okay, here we go. So let's go to our followers right here. And we're just gonna kind of scroll down like this. And let's see who we're going to send one to. Let's try this one. Alexandra Alexa, follow. Oh, we're following now. Now let's message. Ready? Oh, it worked. Okay, so you gotta find Allie's message. There you go. Okay, push the hashtag. No, you can't push it. Yeah, you gotta push it with your tongue.
Oh, good job.
Oh, you did it.
Now you need to do it with your tongue. Oh, you got a T. You gotta
You gotta go backspace now. Oh,
Oh no.
Now you got an enter.
Do backspace 2 times.
Hashtag T. Az is losing. Savannah's almost there. It says you are R, and enter. Oh, and enter. Oh. Gotta go backspace, Savannah. Not M. Backspace, backspace, backspace. You are. Oh, one more.
Okay.
You are what?
No.
So.
Push the Y.
GH. Az, this is harder than you thought. You are worth IO. It. Okay, send. Oh, Savannah won. Oh, okay, now, just for fun times, go ahead and send Alexandra Alex. Go ahead and send her the Yowie. Ready,
Now
set,
type
go.
it with your finger.
Yowie.
Yowie.
Who is next?
Danielle!
Danielle's next.
Camden.
Canyon. Danielle is against Canyon. Okay, let's go.
You're going down, Danielle.
You're going down.
No, I'm not.
Family, friend, or Instagrammer?
Family.
Family. Okay, Canyon.
Canyon, your turn.
Billy Bob Joe, Instagram.
Oh, you're an Instagrammer too? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna choose a follower from our Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, then you're not gonna be in here. Okay, here we go, ready? Oh, that's a cute one. Lover Dog 9. Here we go, we're gonna follow. And we're gonna send a message. Oh, here we go, Lover Dog 9.
All right.
Who are you going to be sending a message to, Danielle? Livy, who is?
My aunt.
Your aunt.
She's right there.
So Livy is on the front of her phone right there.
Hashtag Yowie. You're going down. You're going down.
Oh, you almost went down.
You're gonna make him go down off the chair.
It's yellow wishes.
Okay, you can do it. Let's send it to Lover Dog 9. Whoa, not all that stuff.
Hey,
Whoa, you're supposed to use your tongue. Hey, you're supposed to use your tongue.
You do it?
Good job. Keep going, Gigo.
Keep doing it. Keep going.
You got DNC's MF.
Oh, keep going.
Oh, you got in.
Whoa. What did
Danielle's in.
Done.
Oh, she's done already. Danielle's the winner, Gigo.
I did it.
Okay, what you? Oh. Good job. Okay, now send the real message. You are worth it. And there is Yowie to Livy, and she hasn't even responded yet. Choose the next players. Who's it going to be?
Sarah.
Woo!
All right, Mommy's next.
And
It's gonna be Daddy.
Oh, it is?
Daddy.
It says Lizzie.
It says Johnny.
It's Mommy against Lizzie.
Sarah against Sarah.
okay, don't fix it.
Here we go. Sarah and Sarah, get up there. Choose. Ready, set, go. What is going to be your...
Instagram.
Oh, Lizzie's going Instagrammer.
Family.
Who are you going to text?
Rachel Graham.
All right. Let's get in here and find one that we're going to follow. Mackenzie Anderson. And yep. Oh, look at all of her cute pictures. Here we go. Let's follow back. Following now, and we're going to message her.
It's family time.
All right, it's family time. Sarah, what's yours going to be?
Living the dream.
Living the dream. Hashtag living the dream. Is it hashtag?
Yep.
Show me your tongue exercises. Okay, tongue exercises. Uh-oh, you're in trouble. Oh, yeah. Exercise, exercise, exercise. How long is your tongue? Can you touch your nose? Go. Got your phrases. Sarah's getting into the text. Yes. ITS. Let's see if Sarah's found the number yet.
Jum. Daddy, I had jum.
Oh, Mommy's getting it. She's got a hashtag. She's got a hashtag. Oh, Lizzie, ITH. You gotta get rid of the H. Uh-oh, Mommy's catching up. Living the dream. Oh, she has EAM and that's all that's left. Lizzie, go, go, go. Lizzie, go. You can do it. You can do it.
Woo!
Oh, Mommy won, Lizzie. Okay, let's go ahead and finish up. You can finish texting.
Okay, Lizzie, choose.
Allie.
Johnny.
And me. Okay, tell Allie, let's go. Instagram.
I'll be sending one to a family member.
Who are you gonna send it to?
Probably Grandpa.
That's a good idea. That's the one I was actually thinking about if I would've got family. Okay, Instagram. Let's go to Allie Williams. Oh, look how cute this puppy is. 2 puppies.
Aww.
They're so cute.
So cute.
They're like huskies. Okay, here we go. Let's follow back. And now let's send you a message, Allie. You are worth it. Hashtag you are worth it. That's a long one.
Hashtag it's family.
Okay. We can do this.
All right.
Go.
Oh, at the bottom.
Oh, you guys are about the same. Oh, Johnny's getting ahead.
My big nose is in the way.
Done.
No! And you sent it?
With effect.
Good job winning the game. Actually, no, you just won me. It was a tie between you and Mommy. But guess who the winner was? That was a fun challenge. We have a challenge for you now. Go into your phone right now, and your family or whoever's around you is going to laugh at you, but try to send a text with your tongue. It's actually really, really difficult. And then the next thing is, if you're not following us on Instagram, jump over to Instagram and follow us and send us a DM and make sure that you use your tongue doing it. And then afterwards, let us know that you used your tongue to send that. And be honest, so that we know. Just whatever you want to send to us.
Challenge your family to do it too.
It's a lot of fun. So, oh, the winner. It was Danielle. Danielle was the fastest. She's really fast. And Gigo did good. Guys, we're grateful for you and you asking us to continue to upload on this channel. We love all the videos that we put up for the last 2.5 years. And we love all of the incredible times that we've had with you guys and meeting you and doing lots of fun stuff. So we feel that this is lots of fun. We feel that doing challenges on this channel is gonna be a lot of fun. We feel that us spending time together is a lot of fun. And so, once again, this is our very first challenge video being uploaded to this channel, which is now a once a week Challenge channel.
Yeah, and also, if you have any challenges that you want us to do, you tell us in the description below.
Comments.
Comments.
below.
Comments below.
Someday we'll be YouTubers and understand where the comments are. Guys, we love you. And just like over at Yowie Family, always and forever,
Yeah!
Bye, guys.
I love you!
Get it.
the force